David's mother will sew 3 feet by 5 section of the quilt. David will sew 4 feet by 5 feet section of this quilt. What will the area of the quilt be? Explain how you found your answer and draw a picture of the quilt to show your answer is correct. Well, let's see. If David's mom is doing a 3 by 5 piece, this is a little bit like this problem up here. So hers is going to be 3 feet, and then it's 5 feet this way. And what I know about quilts is that quilts, they usually, you don't have one side going this way and one side going this way, like it's going around a corner here. So if this is 5 feet and 3 feet for the mom, so this is his mom, so I'm going to put an M on this shape. And then it says David is going to sew 4 feet by 5 feet. So that, see, this is still the 5 feet here, but he's going to go 4. So his is a little bit longer than his mother's. There's David's. So if we combine them, they want to know what, what will the area of the quilt be. So the total quilt, if they combine these two shapes, it's going to be from here until here. Those are feet there. So if we were to travel, if this is 4 feet and this is 3 feet, we just kind of add those together. What does 4 plus 3 equal? Well, that's 7 feet, right? So it'd be 7 feet long and then 5 feet wide. So for area, remember, area is equal to the length times the width. So area would be equal to the length, which is 4 plus 3, which is 7 feet. So I'd say 7 times 5. And 7 times 5 is 35. And then we know that the answer is always, for area, is always in square units, which is, this time it'd be square feet. So they need 35 square feet. So here's our drawing to go along with that. And then you want to explain how you found your answer. So we'd say first, I drew David's mom's quilt. Next, I drew David's quilt. After that, I added the length of David's mom's quilt to David's quilt and got a length of 7 feet. Then I multiplied 7 feet times 5 feet to find the area. Do you see how you have to write those sentences out? I'm not gonna, in the interest of time, I'm not gonna write those out here for you, but I do need you to do that. Cool. Now, if any part of this was a little fuzzy for you, please go back on the video and double check and make sure you have it down. Tomorrow I have a little something extra planned for you before you, tomorrow I'm going to have you work on area and perimeter in a different way online. And then on day 3, that's when we're going to take our test. I hope all is well, and I will catch you on the flip side.